Is your clipboard pasting a jumbled string when you copy-paste anything on your Windows computer? If so, your computer has likely become infected, and your clipboard has been hijacked. So with this video tutorial, we will explain you how to fix the clipboard hijacking works. Firstly, disable any suspicious processes running in the Task Manager. To check it, right-click on the Windows taskbar, select Task Manager, locate the AutoIT v3 script process in the background processes list, then after finding it, right-click on it, then select End Task. Another method is to scan your computer for viruses. To do so, open Windows Security on your computer, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click the Scan options, choose Full Scan, and wait for the scan to be completed. Lastly, delete untrusted application you installed recently. Do it by opening Apps and Features, locate any untrusted application, click the 3 vertical dots next to the application's name, then hit Uninstall. Besides uninstalling untrusted applications, you should also check for any suspicious applications you don't recall installing. Now that's a can fix when your clipboard is pasting a jumbled string of characters in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.